Alright, I'm just doing a quick unboxing of this Lynx Hydra Pro 6E. Here's some of the specs there. Here on the side. The only reason I'm posting is because I realized there wasn't really much on any YouTube regarding this model, regarding the 6E version. And this is the AXE6600. So let's do a real quick unboxing for it real quick. And I already read the box. Looks like we just came in my box there. Looks like we just get a step guide here. And it looks like this is going to be the main router itself. Just go ahead and open that real quick. You can see the front with the logo. And I think these are just the antennas right here, which I'll probably take those off later. And yeah, it's like any of the other last model that was on there. Here is the back as well. Got your power off switch, your power reset, one USB port, Ethernet, and looks like you got 4 ports here. You know, your typical items there. And let's see what else we have as well. Looks like any manual or warranty on there. Looks like it comes with a Ethernet port. Doesn't look like it shows any information. Hopefully it's a Cat 6. And looks like a standard AC power brick. Other than that, that's pretty much it. Thank you.